Have you ever found yourself pausing before making a decision, perhaps feeling stuck at the very moment you needed to act? Or maybe you've noticed how some days motivating yourself feels like an uphill battle, and stress seems to cloud your every thought. These are not just personal hurdles, they're universal challenges that can significantly impact our lives. But what if I told you there are secrets to mastering your mind, secrets that successful people use every day to overcome these very obstacles? Today we're diving into powerful strategies that can transform the way you think, work, and live. Let's unlock the potential of your mind together. Point 1. Immediate decision-making. In the fast-paced world we inhabit, the ability to make quick decisions sets apart the successful from the rest. Successful individuals understand that speed in decision-making can significantly bypass the paralysis of analysis that many of us face. They adopt a mindset that favors action over prolonged deliberation, knowing well that every moment of hesitation is an opportunity lost. This approach is not about making rash decisions without thought, but about trusting one's intuition and knowledge to make the best possible choice in the moment. The impact of immediate decision-making extends beyond just overcoming hesitation. It positively influences one's mental well-being by reducing the stress and anxiety associated with uncertainty. When decisions are made swiftly, it clears the mind, allowing for a focus on action and forward momentum. This clarity and direction boost productivity, as time is not wasted overthinking potential outcomes or fearing possible failures. Instead, immediate decision-making fosters a culture of efficiency and progress, where actions are taken and results are pursued with determination. Moreover, this strategy encourages a learning mindset. Each decision, whether it leads to success or failure, becomes a lesson. Successful people use these lessons to refine their decision-making process, becoming more adept at navigating complex situations with ease and confidence. This cycle of action, reflection, and adjustment is crucial for personal and professional growth. In summary, immediate decision-making is a powerful tool in the arsenal of the successful. It is not just about the speed of making decisions, but also about the quality of these decisions and the mindset of learning from each outcome. By embracing this approach, individuals can significantly enhance their productivity, mental health, and overall success in life. Point 2. Goal visualization. Visualizing one's goals is a powerful technique used by successful individuals to enhance focus and motivation. By vividly imagining the achievement of their goals, they create a mental blueprint that guides their actions and decision-making process. This practice not only clarifies what success looks like, but also imbues a strong sense of purpose and direction. When individuals practice goal visualization, they engage their subconscious mind, making their goals feel attainable and real. This mental rehearsal prepares them for the challenges and opportunities ahead, as they have already experienced success in their mind's eye. Visualization acts as a catalyst for action, transforming abstract goals into tangible objectives that drive daily behaviors and choices. Moreover, goal visualization boosts self-confidence. By repeatedly seeing oneself succeed, individuals build belief in their capabilities. This belief is crucial when facing obstacles, as it helps maintain momentum and resilience. It also aligns one's emotions and energy with their goals, creating a positive feedback loop that propels them forward. Incorporating goal visualization into daily routines can be simple yet profoundly impactful. Whether it's through meditation, journaling, or creating vision boards, the key is consistency and emotional engagement with the envisioned outcomes. Successful people use this strategy to keep their focus sharp and their motivation high, ensuring that every action contributes to their overarching objectives. In essence, goal visualization is not just about dreaming, it's about creating a mental and emotional environment where those dreams can flourish into reality. By vividly imagining their desired outcomes, successful individuals harness the power of their minds to steer their lives towards their goals, making what once seemed impossible possible. Point 3. Structured problem solving. Structured problem solving is a crucial skill that successful people use to tackle obstacles efficiently and effectively. By approaching challenges with a methodical mindset, they minimize anxiety and maximize their problem-solving efficiency. The first step in this process is to clearly define the problem, breaking it down into more manageable components. This demystification of the issue at hand allows for a clearer understanding and identification of potential solutions. Once the problem is defined, successful individuals brainstorm possible solutions, evaluating each for its merits and potential pitfalls. This phase encourages creative thinking and the consideration of all possible angles. Following this, they select the most viable solution and plan out the steps required to implement it. This strategic approach ensures that actions are deliberate and targeted, rather than reactionary. Implementing the solution involves monitoring progress and being prepared to make adjustments as necessary. This flexibility is key, as it allows for real-time problem-solving and ensures that the approach remains effective even as circumstances change. Throughout this process, successful people maintain a focus on their end goal, using setbacks as learning opportunities rather than reasons for discouragement. Moreover, structured problem-solving fosters a growth mindset. By viewing challenges as puzzles to be solved rather than insurmountable obstacles, individuals develop resilience and adaptability. This perspective shifts the focus from fearing failure to embracing the process of learning and growth. In essence, structured problem-solving is not just a method for addressing immediate issues, it's a mindset that equips individuals with the tools to navigate the complexities of life and work. By adopting a systematic, flexible, and goal-oriented approach to challenges, successful people are able to maintain their momentum and drive towards their objectives, turning potential roadblocks into stepping stones for success. This approach to problem-solving emphasizes the importance of preparation, strategic thinking, and adaptability, providing a blueprint for overcoming obstacles in a way that is not only effective, but also conducive to personal growth and development. Point 4. Emotional distance. Emotional distance, an essential strategy for personal resilience, involves maintaining a healthy separation between one's emotions and their reactions to situations. This practice enables individuals to respond to challenges and setbacks with a clear mind, rather than being overwhelmed by emotional responses. Successful people harness this skill to navigate through difficulties with grace and maintain their focus on long-term goals. Creating emotional distance allows for objective analysis and decision-making. By not allowing emotions to dictate responses, individuals can assess situations more accurately and choose actions that align with their goals and values. This detachment doesn't mean being emotionless or indifferent. Rather, it's about acknowledging emotions without letting them control the situation. Developing emotional distance involves practices such as mindfulness, which teaches presence and awareness without judgment. Techniques include deep breathing exercises, meditation, or simply taking a moment to pause and reflect before reacting. Over time, these practices build a mental resilience that cushions against the immediate impact of emotional reactions, enabling a growth mindset. A growth mindset, encouraged by emotional distance, is the belief that skills and abilities can be developed through hard work and perseverance. It turns setbacks into learning opportunities, fostering resilience in the face of challenges. This mindset is crucial for personal development, as it allows individuals to bounce back from failures stronger and more determined. Incorporating emotional distance into daily life requires consistent practice and self-reflection. It starts with recognizing when emotions are beginning to cloud judgment and consciously choosing to step back. This might involve reframing situations in a more positive light, seeking out constructive feedback, or simply allowing oneself time to process emotions without immediate reaction. Emotional distance is not about suppression or avoidance, but about managing emotions in a way that supports personal and professional growth. By mastering this skill, successful people ensure that their emotions serve them rather than hinder them, turning potential obstacles into opportunities for development and achievement. This approach to managing emotions underscores the importance of balance, self-awareness, and resilience, offering a pathway to navigating life's challenges with composure and strategic insight. Point 5. Mindfulness and presence. Mindfulness and presence are crucial practices that successful people use to enhance their focus, reduce stress, and cultivate contentment with the present moment. Mindfulness involves paying full attention to the current experience, allowing individuals to fully engage with the here and now without judgment or distraction. This practice leads to a profound reduction in stress levels as it shifts focus away from worries about the past or future and centers on the present. Incorporating mindfulness into daily routines can take various forms, such as meditation, mindful breathing, or even mindful walking. Meditation, for example, can be practiced for a few minutes each day to help center thoughts and emotions, creating a sense of calm and clarity. Mindful breathing involves focusing on the breath, noticing when the mind wanders, and gently bringing attention back to the breath. This simple practice can be done anywhere, anytime, to bring about immediate stress relief and refocus attention. Mindful walking is another technique where attention is placed on the sensations of walking, noticing the feel of the ground underfoot, the rhythm of the breath, and the sounds and sights around. This practice turns an ordinary activity into an opportunity for mindfulness, connecting the individual with the physical world and reducing mental chatter. The benefits of mindfulness and presence extend beyond stress reduction. They enhance overall well-being, improve emotional regulation, and increase the ability to respond rather than react to situations. By training the mind to stay present, individuals develop a deeper appreciation for life's moments, leading to greater contentment and peace. Successful people recognize that mindfulness is not just a practice, but a way of living. It enhances their ability to concentrate, make decisions, and interact with others more effectively. By making mindfulness a regular part of their routines, they ensure that they are always operating from a place of centered calmness, ready to tackle whatever challenges come their way with grace and equanimity. Practicing mindfulness and cultivating presence are transformative habits that empower individuals to live more fully, respond to life with flexibility, and enjoy a deeper sense of satisfaction in their personal and professional lives. Point 5. Continuous learning and adaptability. Continuous learning and adaptability are key traits that define successful individuals in an ever-changing world. Embracing a mindset of continuous improvement means always looking for ways to enhance skills, knowledge, and personal development. This approach involves being open to new experiences and embracing change as an opportunity for growth rather than a threat. Successful people view feedback and failures as invaluable learning opportunities. Instead of perceiving setbacks as defeats, they analyze them to understand what went wrong and how they can improve. This reflective practice turns potential negative experiences into lessons that contribute to personal and professional growth. By doing so, they cultivate resilience, enabling them to bounce back from challenges stronger and more equipped than before. Incorporating continuous learning into daily life can involve setting aside time for self-education through books, courses, or seminars. It also means seeking out feedback from peers, mentors, and even critics, as external perspectives can provide insights that one might not see on their own. Furthermore, adaptability is fostered by stepping out of comfort zones and experimenting with new strategies, approaches, and solutions to problems. Moreover, successful individuals leverage their failures by sharing their experiences with others, contributing to a culture of learning and growth within their communities or organizations. This openness not only helps others learn from their mistakes, but also establishes a supportive environment where continuous improvement is valued and encouraged. Embracing continuous learning and adaptability is not just about acquiring new skills or knowledge. It's about developing a growth-oriented mindset that thrives on challenges and change. This mindset is crucial for navigating the complexities of modern life and achieving long-term success. By remaining curious, open to feedback, and resilient in the face of setbacks, successful people turn every experience into an opportunity for growth, ensuring that they are always moving forward, evolving, and staying relevant in their fields. In conclusion, mastering one's mind through immediate decision-making, goal visualization, structured problem-solving, emotional distance, mindfulness, and continuous learning is crucial for success. These strategies foster mental discipline, enabling individuals to navigate challenges with resilience and adaptability. Embracing these practices in daily life can significantly enhance personal and professional growth. Encouraged to apply these insights, anyone can develop a stronger, more focused and adaptable mindset, laying the foundation for achieving their goals and realizing their full potential.
Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and share it. Don't forget to subscribe for more content on how Stoic principles can enhance your life. Until next time, embark on your journey with discipline and resilience, guided by the timeless wisdom of Stoicism.